Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. The students who have just now passed their 12th grade and want to take admission into any degree course, BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BSW and any other UG course can apply for those Degree Online Services Telangana. Already I have made a video on it. If you want details, then click on the link given in the comment section. The official DOS notification has released with the dates. Phase 1 registration fees is Rs 200. From May 3rd to 21st of May you can apply. Web options will open on 10th May and will last up till 22nd of May. Phase 1 seat allotment would be on May 29th. Self-reporting of students who got seats will be on May 30th to 6th June. After phase 1, phase 2, 3 and then special phase will also be there. So better you apply for phase 1 only. Since the fees is less, it's only 200 rupees. And if you want to get admission into your desired college, then better apply in the first phase itself. So to apply for this, first you have to register yourself on DOST website as I showed in my previous video. So first apply for candidate pre-registration and then you can fill your application form by logging in and then you can pay the application fee. The web options will open on 10th May. Web options means you can choose which college you want to take admission into. So what you can do is online you can search colleges, know their fees, check the distance from your home, then make sure that you can travel to this college for 3 years. After knowing everything, only then in web options you have to apply for colleges. So just remember students, every college has limited number of seats. So if you apply in phase 1, keep that college name in first list. Means first choose the college which you want to take admission into. Second should be the second best option. Third should be the third best option. Don't keep the college which you want to take admission into last. So students, if you do not get admission into phase 1, you can apply for phase 2. Registration fee would be double, that is 400. From May 30th to 8th June you can apply and web options for second phase will open from May 30th to 9th June. Seat allotment would be on 13 June and self-reporting on 13 June to 18 June. So students, those who are writing supplementary or improvement exam, they can apply for phase 2. Then if you cannot apply for phase 1 or for phase 2, then go for phase 3. Fees is 400, June 13 to 19 June, web options from 13 to 19, seat allotment on 23rd June, self-reporting 23rd June to 28th June. Then for special category students, the verification dates, like for students who are physically handicapped or students who come under sports category, phase 1 would be on 21st May, phase 2 9 June, phase 3 18 June. Then final admission and start of classes. Students with confirmed seats reporting to colleges means as your seat is confirmed, you have to immediately report to the college from June 24th onwards till 28th of June. So during this time you have to report students, and students orientation means they will tell you what are the subjects, how is the degree going to be. All those guidance will be given from 24th June to 28th June. Degree semester 1 classes will start from 30th June, almost July, okay. You can watch the video given in my comment section to show you how to register.